I've seen machines pull off the impossible, but never like this. An old truck, 20 tons of timber. Everyone expected failure until something unbelievable happened. You won't believe how this ends. Let's find out. It started like any run, until the brakes vanished. A mountain curve, no shoulder, 40,000 pounds pushing hard. I didn't stop the truck, I just picked the softest crash. It wasn't about control anymore, it was about survival. Picture this, black ice, full load, uphill. The wheels screamed, the cabin shook, but the man at the wheel, silent, focused. I didn't drive that hill. I pushed the rig with my will. If he'd slipped, he might still be sliding. The pit looked like soup. Most drivers turned back. He dropped in with a grin. I knew the mud wanted me. I just wanted it more. It wasn't a drive, it was a battle. No trail, no margin. Cliff one side, rock wall the other. He threaded 12 wheels through what looked like a hiking path. Every inch was a prayer, every breath a gamble. It wasn't bravery, it was necessary. He's not just moving logs, he's unloading memories. Each timber a piece of the past. Quiet, precise, like he's conducting an orchestra in the snow. People think it's brute force, he says. No, it's rhythm, it's breath. And when you hear why he does it, you'll feel it too. From the sky, graceful. Zoom in, tires skidding, frame groaning, one bad bounce from chaos. You see beauty, I hear danger in every rotation. Never trust peace from above. His truck's older than some countries, but he still hauls twice a week. I don't need sensors. I have instinct. Not one flipped load in 40 years. Let that sink in. The crane moves like it's alive, each log placed like sculpture. I drink coffee with one hand, I balance 800 pounds with the other. It's not just work, it's control in pure form. Mid-turn, he slipped 2 wheels off, vibration rising. I didn't correct it. I whispered to the truck, "Not today." He made it by inches. DIY, madness or genius? Someone bolted a chainsaw to a loader. No plans, just instinct and duct tape. Did it work? You bet it did. Last load of the day. Tension wire snaps. He steps back, seconds before impact. The moment you think it's over is usually the one that gets you. Don't relax, not until the engine's off. Everyone said it's impossible. He didn't care. Don't ask what it takes, just bring it. He didn't climb it. He conquered it. Which moment had you on the edge of your seat? Tell us below. Tag someone who needs to see this, and if your pulse is still pounding, you know what to do.
call the pine trees.